All right, guys, we are here today with Baby Mark, the skating toddler. Give me 5. Give me the rock. Well done. You ready to skate this park? You ready to shred this park? He doesn't need words. He needs pure determination. Let's get it.
Want to put your feet up? No, he's just checking you guys out like, what's going on?
Like, there are way too many cameras around me. Way too many cameras. You ready? You follow me. You got my back.
Ready, Mark? Go get him. Twist it. First one. Hit it. Wow! Boom! Wipe out.
Pretty much the most incredible thing that I've ever seen in my entire life. I want to just see him just go off of curbs endlessly. You're like, this stance. You're just like, fully down. Like ready to handle anything.
That's awesome. What's up, guys? Yeah! Woo! Good one, dude. Is that cool?
Can handle anything.
He gets up so early, like at 5 in the morning.
Yeah.
And usually by now he's at a nap. So you could, that's how much you know he loves it.
Yeah.
He's grumpy, but he's still smiling.
Yeah.
Up there. Up there? We're gonna go this way, look. We're gonna hit the little box, all right? Let's go, bro. Take it up. Yeah, dude. Woo! What are you telling them? No cameras. Say hi to Aaron. Look, say hi, dude. Come up and turn it. Turn. Woo! All the way up. Down. Woo!
Wow. See that recovery? You got better training skills than me. That was well done. Boosh. Give me the rock. He's like, no rock. Mind blown.
He's fully better than me.
True. Handrail time.
Turn it. Woo! Yeah! You wanna go down that way, Mark? Look, right towards that guy. Here. Wow! Get your balance going. take a break.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's so incredible. He like completely trusts you.
Yeah.
Has he ever fallen? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because he'll like go really fast over that, and then he'll be like headed straight for the wall, but he's like, I know my dad's got me. It's cool.
Yeah. Sometimes he does bail, but yeah, most of the time, like you said, he does trust me.
Yeah. Slayed it, killed it. You want to take a nap? Time for a nap? Huh? Huh? Yeah. Good job.
You have fun, dude?
You killed it. That's exactly what I feel like after skating too. All right, dude, you did awesome. You crushed it. Give me a 5. All right, give me a high 5. You crushed it. You killed it. Right there. Put it up. He's like, no, I'm good. Thanks, though. So I have some questions. How did this whole thing start?
Well, actually, I have a 3-year-old daughter.
Yeah?
And I was teaching her.
Yeah.
And as soon as he turned 1, like we have boards in the living room and everything.
Yeah.
And he just started getting up on it. So I started taking him out with me and my daughter. And my daughter really loves it, but he like really loves it. So
Yeah.
I just kept with it. We keep going little by little, and yeah.
That's awesome. So you started him out, like he would just stand himself on the board.
Yeah,
like the
just
board would be on the carpet and he would just get up.
Yeah, you just get up, start standing up. So then little by little, I'd start moving him, and you know, just little by little.
That's awesome.
And now he's going off curbs.
So he's 1 and he's gonna be 2 soon.
April.
So he's been skating for almost a year? Or?
Correct, yeah.
Wow.
So as soon as he turned 1, he started. Like the week he turned 1, he started.
Wow.
Like,
So it wasn't even up to you. He was just like, Dad,
Yeah.
look, this is what we're doing. it's time to skate.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of people who are like, I want to get my kids into skateboarding, and they're like not sure how. I'll get some
Yeah,
videos.
we get nonstop messages about like, you know, his board side, is how to start them, and I mean, yeah, so many messages.
Wow. He just has a regular size board though, right?
Yeah. Well, it's not. Well, I guess it's kind of regular. I think the one right now he has like 7.6.
Oh, 7.6.
Yeah,
so
but
a
it's still
little bit.
big for him, but it's a
Yeah.
little small.
But the length is the same?
You know
Or
what?
it's
I don't.
a little shorter.
I think it's a little shorter. Yeah. But he has a few different boards, but like yeah, he's pretty much been on regular size boards. He'll pick them up and everything.
That's really awesome. Well, you guys crushed it. You did so good. Give me the rock. He's like, I'm so tired. This day was long. We skated hard. 50-50 the rail. Rode off the box. He's like, I'm ready for a nap. Him and I both.
He loves all the tools up here.
Yeah, this place is like a giant like toy factory. All right, well, thank you so much for coming out.
Yeah. See you later, Mark.
See you later. Later, buddy. He's like, it's time.
You want to give Aaron a high 5? See you later, dude. Boom.
Put it there. You want that?
I'll take the ball.
There you go. You got it. First try. So you guys should definitely follow them, Skating Toddler on Instagram.
Correct.
And they have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, check them out.
Check out the YouTube channel. We will put all of their links in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for coming out. And this just goes to show anyone can learn how to skateboard, so you guys can too.
Anybody.
Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.